Good morning, students. Today I will explain the problems related to transpose of the matrix. Now, if A be a square matrix, then show that first one A plus A transpose is symmetric. And second one, A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. And third one, A transpose and A transpose A or symmetric. Once A be the given square matrix, then you have to show that A plus A transpose is symmetric, A minus A transpose is skew symmetric, A transpose and A transpose A are symmetric. Sorry. First one, A plus A transpose is symmetric. Symmetric means if X be the square matrix such that X transpose equal to X, then X is called symmetric. If X transpose equal to minus X, then X is skew symmetric. Hence, once you consider A plus A transpose as X, its transpose is itself. Once its transpose is itself, then you can say that the matrix is symmetric. So, let us consider, let P is A plus A transpose. Let us consider A plus A transpose as P. Now, I will show P is a symmetric matrix. For that, consider P transpose. Here P transpose is A plus A transpose whole transpose. But by the properties of transpose of the matrices, once X plus Y whole transpose is X transpose plus Y transpose, you can write this as A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose. Since A plus B whole transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. Since A plus B whole transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. Now, this is equal to A transpose. A transpose whole transpose is A itself. The property A transpose is A. Again, this is equal to A plus A transpose. The addition of the matrix follows commutatively. Hence, A transpose plus A is A plus A transpose, which is equal to P. Therefore, P transpose equal to P. Hence, P, that is A plus A transpose, is symmetric. Therefore, P, that is A plus A transpose, is symmetric. Similarly, the second one, let Q is A minus A transpose. To show that Q is Q symmetric, let us consider Q transpose. Q transpose is A minus A transpose whole transpose. That is A transpose minus A transpose whole transpose, as if in the previous case. A minus A transpose is A minus A transpose whole transpose is A transpose minus A transpose whole transpose. But A transpose whole transpose equal to A, which may be written as minus of A minus A transpose, minus of A minus A transpose. This is minus Q. Q transpose equal to minus Q. Hence, Q, that is A minus A transpose, is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric by its definition. By its definition, Q is, that means A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Similarly, the third one, coming to third one, let A transpose is, I will show A transpose is symmetric. For that, consider A transpose whole transpose. A transpose whole transpose. By reversal law, this is A transpose whole transpose into A transpose, since by properties of transpose matrix, AB whole transpose is B transpose A transpose. And let us consider this is A and this is B. AB whole transpose is B transpose A transpose. Here A transpose whole transpose is again A into A transpose. Once you consider this one as the matrix X, X transpose is X itself. So hence A transpose is symmetric. A transpose is symmetric. Similarly, A transpose A. Similarly, A transpose A whole transpose is, by the same property, by reversal of the transpose matrix, product of the transpose matrix, A transpose whole transpose, which is A transpose A itself. Hence, therefore, A transpose A is also symmetric. Once the transpose of any matrix is itself, then it is called symmetric. Once the transpose of the square matrix is minus of that matrix, then it is skew symmetric. So, based on the definition of the symmetric and skew symmetric, once A is a square matrix, you can conclude that A plus A transpose is symmetric, A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. This is a very important point. This is very important one, very important concept. Even for object 2 also it is very important. If A is a square matrix, A is a square matrix, then A can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. If A is a square matrix, then show that, otherwise, then show that A can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Let P is A plus A transpose. Q is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose, and Q is A minus A transpose. Let P is 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose, and Q is 1 by 2 into A minus A transpose. From the previous problem, clearly P is a symmetric matrix and Q is a skew symmetric matrix. That can be proved here. So, here P transpose is 1 by 2 of A plus A transpose whole transpose. That is 1 by 2 of A plus A transpose whole transpose. Since Ka whole transpose is where Kb a scalar, K into A transpose, where Kb a scalar. One by 2 into A plus A transpose whole transpose. That is 1 by 2 into. This is A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose. Since A plus B whole transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. That is 1 by 2 into A transpose plus A, which is 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose itself. So, which is nothing but P. Therefore, P is symmetric. P is symmetric. Similarly, let us consider Q as 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. Now Q transpose is 1 by 2 into A minus A transpose whole transpose. This is 1 by 2 into A transpose minus A transpose whole transpose, as if in the case of previous procedure. It is clear that this is A transpose minus A transpose whole transpose, which is half to that of A transpose whole transpose is A, which is nothing but minus 1 by 2 into A minus A transpose, which is minus Q. So, Q transpose equal to minus Q implies Q is skew symmetric. So, as if in the case of previous one P, you can show that Q is also skew symmetric. P is symmetric and Q is skew symmetric. Now, consider P plus Q. Now, P plus Q is sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices, half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose. That gives us 1 by 2A plus 1 by 2A transpose plus 1 by 2A minus 1 by 2A transpose. So, 1 by 2A transpose cancel here. 1 by 2A plus 1 by 2A gives us A. Now, A can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So, therefore, A may be expressed as half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose. This is symmetric and that one is skew symmetric matrix. So, if A is any square matrix, if A is any square matrix, then you can express A as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Very important result. I will give one problem based on this result. Express A, the square matrix 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 5. As the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. If A equal to the given square matrix 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 5. Then you have to express A as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. For this given A is here 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 5. That implies A transpose is 3, 2, 3 on interchanging the rows to columns 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 5. This is A transpose. Now A minus A plus A transpose. A plus A transpose. The adding of these through is these two matrices. A transpose is here 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 5. Adding of A and A transpose. Adding of A and A transpose, we get 3 plus 3, 6. 2 plus 4, again 6. 3 plus 2, 5. And 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 5, 10. And 3 plus 4, 7. 2 plus 3, 5. 4 plus 3, 7. And 5 plus 5, 10. This is our A plus A transpose. Again consider similarly A minus A transpose. Subtraction of A transpose from A. A minus A transpose is A, that is 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 5, minus A transpose 3, 4, 2, 2, 5, 4, and 3, 3, 5. A minus A transpose. Now A minus A transpose is taking the subtraction of corresponding elements here from A and A transpose. 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 4 is minus 1. And 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 2, 5 minus 5, 3 minus 4, okay. This is A minus A transpose. Let P is 1 by 2 of A plus A transpose. 1 by 2 of A plus A transpose. That is 1 by 2 of 6, 6, 5, 6, 10, 7, 5, 7, 10, which is divide each and every element of A plus A transpose with 2. We get 3 here, 3, 5 by 2, and 3, 5, 7 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2, 5. Again, Q is 1 by 2 into A minus A transpose. That is 1 by 2 into A minus A transpose is 0, minus 2, 1, 2, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 0, which is clearly 0, minus 1, 1 by 2, and this is 1 and 0, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. Here P is half to that of A plus A transpose, Q is half to that of A minus A transpose. Now A. Now A is clearly P plus Q. Adding these two, we get A. Here A can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Here P is the symmetric matrix and Q is skew symmetric matrix. So every square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Here P is symmetric, P is symmetric and Q is skew symmetric. So every square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Next problem. Show that A power n whole power transpose, A power n whole transpose is A transpose whole power n. The transpose of any integral power of the square matrix, the transpose of any integral power of square matrix is integral power of transpose of the matrix. Here where n belongs to n. Now to show that this is very simple solution, A power n whole transpose equal to A power n whole transpose is A power n means A into A into A into n times. N times. This is whole transpose. By the properties of transpose, A, B, C, whole transpose is C transpose, B transpose, A transpose. So from this is A transpose, A transpose, A transpose, n times. So here we are considering A product of A transpose n times. Once this is the product of A transpose n times, it is taken as A transpose whole power n. So A power n whole transpose is A transpose whole power n. From this, suppose whenever you need of A cube whole transpose, you can straight away consider A transpose whole cube like that. Another problem. Show that the matrix B transpose AB is symmetric or skew symmetric according as A is symmetric or skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. B transpose AB. B transpose AB. The matrix B transpose AB is symmetric once A is symmetric, and B transpose AB is skew symmetric once A is skew symmetric. Now proof. Let A is symmetric. That implies A transpose implies and F implies A transpose equal to A. Let it be 1. Now consider B transpose AB whole transpose. Now consider B transpose AB whole transpose. B transpose AB whole transpose is B transpose A transpose B transpose whole transpose. B transpose A transpose. This is I will write like this: B transpose A transpose B transpose whole transpose. But A transpose equal to A. So this is B transpose A. B transpose whole transpose is B. From 1. From 1 it is clear that since A is symmetric, A transpose is A. Once you replace A transpose with A, you get here B transpose A. B transpose whole transpose is B. So once you consider this matrix as X, X transpose is X itself. X transpose is X means X clearly a symmetric matrix. That implies B transpose AB is symmetric. So once A is symmetric, then you can conclude that B transpose AB is symmetric. Next, similarly, if A is skew symmetric, A is skew symmetric, then A transpose is minus A. Let it be 2. Once A considered as skew symmetric, then A transpose is minus A. In such case, B transpose A B whole transpose is B transpose A B whole transpose is. This is B transpose A transpose B transpose whole transpose, which is B transpose A transpose B, because B transpose whole transpose is B. But A transpose is minus A from relation to, since A is considered as skew symmetric. So this is minus A B from 2. That is minus of B transpose A B. Once you consider this matrix as X, X transpose is minus X here. X transpose is minus X whenever A is skew symmetric. So therefore, once A is skew symmetric, B transpose A B is skew symmetric. This is also an important problem related to the objective also. So once A is symmetric, B transpose AB, the product exists, then it is symmetric. Once A is skew symmetric, B transpose AB is QC. Next one. If A is A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, where A, B, C are positive reals, such that A, B, C equal to 1 and A transpose A equal to I. Then find the value of AQ plus BQ plus CQ. Given square matrix is ABC, BCA, CAB, and again A transpose into A equal to I, and given ABC equal to 1 where ABC are positive reals. Then you have to find the value of AQ plus BQ plus CQ. Given A is ABC, BCA, CAB. Clearly this is a symmetric matrix, because here A transpose is the transpose of the matrix is, once you change the rows to the columns, we get A, B, C. First row becomes column, first column, B, C, A, C, A. We get the same matrix. So A transpose equal to A. A is symmetric here. A is symmetric. So A transpose A equal to I implies, since A transpose equal to A into A becomes I. That gives us A square equal to I. Since the given matrix is a symmetric matrix and A transpose into A equal to I, A square equal to I. Now consider A square. That is ABC, BCA, CAB multiplied with A itself, ABC, BCA, CAB equal to I stands for 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now taking multiplication of A and A, that gives us row to column wise product. Taking row to column wise product, we get A square plus B square plus C square. Similarly AB plus BC plus CA. First row second column product. First row third column product is AC plus AB plus BC. Similarly second row first column product AB plus BC plus CA. Second row second column product B square plus C square plus A square. Second row third column product BC plus AC plus AB. Third row first column product AC plus AB plus BC. Third row second column product BC plus AC plus AB. Third row third column product C square plus A square plus B square is clearly 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now once you compared these two matrices, we get a square plus b square plus c square equal to 1, and similarly ab plus bc plus ca equal to 0. A square plus b square plus c square equal to 1 and ab plus bc plus ca equal to 0. So therefore, a plus b plus c whole square equal to a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus twice to that of ab plus bc plus ca, that is 1 plus 2 into 0, which is equal to 1. Once a square plus b square plus c square is 1 and ab plus bc plus ca is 0, a plus b plus c whole square equal to 1. Therefore, a plus b plus c equal to 1, since a, b, c are positive reals. Positive reals. Moreover, a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Again, a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca plus 3abc. This is algebraic relation. A cube plus b cube plus c cube may be written as a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca plus 3abc. But a plus b plus c is 1 into a square plus b square plus c square is 1 here, minus of ab plus bc plus ca is 0 plus 3 into given abc is 1, abc is 1, since given abc is 1. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 1 into 1 minus 0 plus 3. This is 1 plus 3, that is 4. So once A is the given matrix A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, and A transpose is into A equal to I, and moreover A, B, C are positive reals such that A, B, C equal to 1, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 4, as well A plus B plus C equal to 1. This is given in IITs.